All right, this is the finished result of our peach bread pudding. I want to show you how beautiful it came out, and it came out wonderful. It is a beautiful peach. Oh, it tastes so heavenly, y'all. It's light, it's flavorful, and it tastes real good. Now, it could be someone purpose who do not like peaches. You can use pineapple if you want, or apples, whatever you like. You can put on there. Now, I made the little sauce to go on top, and I'm gonna drizzle some of the sauce over it so you can see how the sauce look. Sauce is fabulous, and there your peach cobbler sauce right there. And here's the remaining of the peach bread pudding. I'm so used to saying peach cobbler, y'all forgive me, but here's the remaining of the bread pudding, the peach bread pudding. And I think it is fabulous. And look how the layers look in there. Look at that. That looks so good, y'all. That is really came out real good. Came out real good, real tasteful. And look at the sauce. The sauce is perfect, y'all. The sauce is perfect. Now, I said you don't have to put any sugar in the sauce because it's got the peach syrup in there. But if you want to put some peach sugar in there, put about 4 tablespoons of sugar, and that would be perfect. Don't over sweeten it. But this is fabulous, y'all. This is really a fabulous, dessert peach bread pudding. It's fabulous. Okay, this is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. And after this presentation, I will show you how to fix this peach bread pudding. Ain't it beautiful? Oh, it is just beautiful, y'all. This is Sandra. I would like to say thank you for coming to my channel. I love all my subscribers, and thank you so very much for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my peach bread pudding. This is a country staple in our home. It's a peach bread pudding, and I'm sure that y'all might like this recipe, so I'm going to do it for you today and see if you like it and see if you may try it. So what you're going to first do is get some peaches. I always get the premium peaches like Libby's, peaches that has a good name brand and heavy syrup. You get that. Okay, we're going to make a small one. We're not going to make a large one. We're going to make a small one because, like I said, I've been doing a lot of cooking. So I'm trying to cut down on a lot of cooking, y'all. We're going to do a little small one out of this right here. We're going to use this little small pan. So you're going to get about 2 cans of small, 2 cans of regular size peaches, not the fat ones. And we're going to use about 1/4 of brown sugar. Maybe not that much, just brown sugar on the peaches. Just like this. I love bread pudding. And I always love the New Orleans style bread pudding. I'm going to make one of those one day. But we're just going to do this little peach pudding here. I think I got 2 holes in this bag. Let's see. There you go. Now we're going to stir this together. Well, we're going to put the cinnamon. We're going to put cinnamon. Much cinnamon as you want. If you like cinnamon, you put much as you want. Okay, a little cinnamon. And then we're going to add some vanilla. Like that. Cinnamon smells so good, and the brown sugar. Okay, we're going to add that together. And we're going to blend this together like this. And this is going to go on top the filling we're going to use. We'll blend this together. Like a little sugar. And we're going to put not a cup, but 1 stick of melted butter. Just like that, the melted butter. Now this smells really good now, y'all, don't it? So we're going to let this stir up like this, and we're going to put this to the side. It's going to be our topping for the peaches, for the bread pudding, excuse me. Then we're going to use some donuts. I like to get the cake donuts, the sour cream cake donuts, because it's hard to find the cinnamon donuts, but the cake donuts you can always find. So I'll just break them in half like this. Break them in half. We'll use about maybe 7 of them. Break them up just like this. I love donuts. I'm a donut. I love donuts. Okay, we're going to break them up like that. I'm going to save me one. When I want something sweet, I go to the refrigerator and get some. Save me. I think this is enough right here, y'all. Maybe one more. Just like that. We're going to set this to the side. And then this bowl here we're going to use for the filling. We're going to use a can of evaporated milk. We'll use a cup of sugar. We're going to use about a teaspoon, maybe half a teaspoon of vanilla. Cinnamon. You can use anything you want. You could put nutmeg in it or whatever you desire. You can put that in there. But, just use this right here. Just use my measurement. And then when you fix this, then you change to what you want it to go by, Then we'll put some vanilla. We'll put some vanilla in there just like that. And you can put any spice you want into this dish here. Then we're going to put 4 eggs. 4 beaten eggs. And we're going to whip this all together just like this. And then this is going to go on top of the donuts. This is what's going to go on top of the donuts. And man, that tastes good. Get it all together, blend it together like this. Hope everybody's doing fine. Hope everybody's doing great this weekend. Okay. Got it all like this. Now you see when it's thick like that, that means it's ready. It means you got enough eggs in there and enough custard. This is the custard. So you have enough custard in this dish when it beats up just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna taste it. I don't like raw eggs, but it tastes real good. So this tastes good. So I'm gonna just use this other donut. I'm not gonna eat another donut because I already have this bread pudding to eat. So I'm gonna put this donut in there like that. We use about a total of 8 donuts. And we're gonna pour this on top. That's the custard, just like that. I'm gonna push it down, just like this. We're gonna push it down, and we're gonna let it set for about maybe 15 minutes, so the donuts can swell up. And then after the donuts swell up, then we're gonna put the peaches on top. And we'll put it in the oven. Okay. So this is what we're doing now. We're just pushing this all to the side. Just like this, so it can all soak into those donuts. And we'll be right back, okay? Hope y'all can see that. All right, now what we're doing, we got this already soaked in. You can tell how it looks. It's soaked in, and that is a good thing. And we're gonna make sure it's all soaked in there, and that's gonna be good. And we're gonna spoon the peaches, not so much of the juice, but just most of the peaches on top like that. Just like this, y'all. Just make sure you get all that goodness of the peaches out like that. Just like this. This peach is gonna have a tendency to cook on top of this bread pudding, and it's gonna be magnificent. And you're gonna say, they're gonna say, where did you get that recipe? You say, I got it from Sandra. She be coming up with the stuff. Make sure this is not hard. That's a little probably a seed of the peaches, the seeds, and you take the peaches off that. When you pick a peach, it got that seed in the side. Okay, this is what we're gonna do with this. We're gonna put this in the oven and let it cook for about maybe on 350, and maybe like 40 minutes, maybe 40 to 45 minutes, till it get all nice and firm. Now you can add some cinnamon on this if you want, more sugar on it, but right now it's fine just like it is. So we're gonna come back and let you see how that look. Okay. All right, we're gonna make a sauce for our peach bread pudding. So what we're going to do is add the peach juice that was left over from the peaches inside the pan. We're going to add about a cup of milk to the peach juice. And we're going to temper by putting some of this milk into the cornstarch. Just like that. We're going to make a little cornstarch slurry. Just like this, y'all. Get it kind of smooth in there like that. And we're going to add it to the milk and the peach juice. I'm going to blend it like that. Now, you can put sugar in it if you want, but I'm not going to put sugar in mine. I think mine is sweet enough because, you know, it's already sweet with those peaches and the donuts and the sugar, so I'm not going to put any sugar in this because it don't need it. Now, you can put sugar in yours if you want, but I would just put maybe about 4 tablespoons full of sugar in yours. Okay, we got to cut this up a little bit so it can get kind of thick. And then I'm going to put some vanilla in it, just like that. And that's it. And when this get thick to a ball and start thickening up, your sauce is ready. And you can use it on your peach. Yes, I said peach bread pudding, y'all. Just keep stirring it until it gets thicker. And then that's it. As it gets thick, you're going to put a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of butter in your mix, just like that. That butter makes it rich, so I forgot to tell you, put the butter in there. And then we're going to show you how to use this over your peach bread pudding. See how thick it's getting? That's what you want. And we'll be right back with the finished results. Alright, now this is the results of the peach bread pudding as I took it out the oven. I want you to see how beautiful it came out on the sides. Look at that. All those peach juices and stuff went into those donuts. And I'm going to show you. When I say we, it means I'm including you too. That's why I said we. They said, Mom, why are you saying we? It's because I'm including you too. So I'm just including you to the deal. So when we get through with this, look at this. I'm going to make a glaze to go on top of it. It's sort of like a dressing, they call it. Sauce to go on top of it. Make a sauce to go on top of this peach bread pudding. In just a few seconds, we'll be right back there. Look at that. Ooh, you know that's going to be good. And look at that. Ooh, I love that right there. And look at those peaches. The peaches looks fabulous, don't they? Okay, we're going to make a sauce. Come right back and show you how to do that. Wonderful peach bread pudding. Have you ever heard of that? Peach bread pudding? Surprise your friends and family with one. Be right back.